here we are. This is weld. Now I'm putting in copper. So on a red background, it's going to look brown. On a white background, kind of yellowy green. In goes the yarn. This is 100% non-superwash merino. It looks pretty yellow. But there's also copper in here. So we are looking to see what color we end up with. And then we're going to light fast test them. All right. We'll come back later. All right. One has alum, one does not. The water includes copper and weld. So I was anticipating a green, but I also know that our unsuperwashed yarn tends to take copper later than our superwash. It eventually absorbs it and it has a similar color, but it just takes longer. So we will see. Okay, this is our test where one had alum and one did not. And we put in weld and copper. They look similar in color. I don't see a lot of difference between the two skeins. Well, maybe that one is a little brighter yellow at the top. I don't know, we'll see. Here's my one pot weld test. I put it in the window on the 31st, and today is November 26th. So it's been almost a month. And this is the side that was facing the window, south facing window. So the left side was covered, this was uncovered. And it appears to be no difference. And both of them are the same level of green. So that's good, whether we alum ahead of time or no alum and just use copper. It looks pretty good.